Farmington Hills, MI is the go-to destination for top-notch picture windows. Farmington Hills services. Our Farmington Hills window installation experts specialize in a wide range of window styles, including picture windows, double-hung windows, and bay windows. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window designs, our team in Farmington Hills, MI has you covered. When it comes to picture windows, Farmington Hills, our professionals ensure a seamless process from start to finish. We offer a variety of window glass options and window frame materials to suit your specific needs. Our Farmington Hills window replacement services are designed to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your home or business. Energy-efficient picture windows. Farmington Hills are a smart investment for any property owner. Our insulated windows and vinyl windows are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior comfort. Farmington Hills window solutions include a range of energy-efficient options that are perfect for the local climate. Custom windows in Farmington Hills, MI offer endless possibilities for personalization. Our Farmington Hills window experts can help you design the perfect custom window to match your unique style and preferences. From window measurements to window fitting, we ensure every detail is tailored to your satisfaction. For those in need of window repair in Farmington Hills, MI, our team provides prompt and reliable services. Whether it's a minor fix or a major repair, our Farmington Hills window repair specialists are equipped to handle any challenge. We also offer comprehensive window maintenance services to keep your windows in top condition. Sliding windows and casement windows are popular choices for Farmington Hills residents seeking modern and functional window styles. Our Farmington Hills window professionals can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best window styles for your home or business. Window upgrades in Farmington Hills are an excellent way to improve the value and appeal of your property. Our Farmington Hills window services include a variety of upgrade options, from window sealing to enhanced durability to window aesthetics that elevate your space. Trust our Farmington Hills MI window experts to deliver exceptional results. Residential picture windows. Farmington Hills, MI are designed to meet the needs of homeowners seeking quality and style. Our Farmington Hills window consultation services provide personalized recommendations to ensure you select the best residential windows for your home. We also cater to commercial windows in Farmington Hills, offering solutions that enhance business environments.